Hi friends, my name is Gunjan and welcome to my channel. Well, today's recipe is keto peanut butter ice cream. In this recipe, I am not going to use any freezer. I am not going to use any ice cream machine to make this ice cream, and you will see how I am going to make this ice cream. You're going to love it. I think it's easiest ice cream in the world because it takes just 5 minutes to make it. And if you have kids at home, try this recipe with them. They're going to love it. They are going to enjoy the method of the recipe. So without any further delay, let's go ahead and see the recipe. But if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified every time I post a new recipe. Now let's go to the recipe. So to make our instant no freezer keto peanut butter ice cream, we will first start by mixing cream and milk. For that I have taken half a cup of coconut cream and half a cup of almond milk. And to this I am going to add 1/4 cup of sweetener and 1 teaspoon or half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now give this a good mix until sugar is dissolved. I would like to remind you here one thing, that there are many vanilla extract which contains sugar, so be careful about that. Now our sugar has dissolved. Now we will make our peanut butter slurry, and for that I have taken 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and to this I am going to add our ice cream mixture. Give it a good mix until it forms a smooth slurry like a paste. Making a slurry is easier way to mix your peanut butter into your ice cream mixture. Now we are done with the slurry. It's time to combine your slurry and rest of the ice cream mixture. Pour your slurry into your remaining ice cream mixture and give it a good final stir. Now it starts the fun part. Here I have taken a small size Ziploc bag, and to this I am adding our ice cream mixture. Now here I would like to tell you something about my Ziploc bag, which is not a great quality bag, but it did the job for me. But if you have a better quality ice cream bag, would be much better. Now seal it properly and make sure that liquid is not coming out of the bag. Now our ice cream bag is ready. Now here I have taken twice the size of Ziploc bag than the other one, and to this I am adding some ice cubes. Yes, some ice cubes. Now if you ask me how much ice cubes are required, so honestly I did not measure it, but you have to use as much ice cubes which can cover both the surface of your ice cream bag. Now I have placed the ice cream bag between the ice cube. And next I am adding rock salt. Not necessarily you have to add rock salt, any salt will be fine, but salt is crucial because it will help to bring down the temperature of the ice water, which will eventually turn into ice cream. Throw in your salt both the side of the bag. Now seal the bag properly. Like I said, my bag is not that great. It gave me a real hard time to seal it off, but somehow I managed it. And here I am done. Now on a towel, wrap your ice cream bag around because ice is cold, and all you have to do is shake it. That's it. Just shake it for about 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes we will see the magic happen. and I shook it for about 5 minutes, and let's see. I'm so excited. Look at this. It has frozen already. Let me open it and show it to you. See, there you go. See, and I ate it. I hope you liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel for more such recipe, and do give it a try to this recipe. It takes just 5 minutes, so it's worth giving it a try. Enjoy.